Good day. This is another problem about angles, lines and triangles. We have to work out what the value of x is and what the value of y is. Always look on the picture what they have given you. They told you that these two lines are parallel. That means these two angles will be co-interior angles and add up to 180. They told you that that line and that line are equal. That means that this will be y and this will also be y. These two angles will be equal. I'm going to use that information. So we're first going to use these two angles to work out x. Remember, whenever you answer a geometry question, you must write down a statement and a reason. So if you say something, you must say why you are saying it, with what geometry rules you are using. So what I did is I took this 2x plus 50 plus the x plus 10, the co-interior angles here, I added them and it will give me 180 degrees. Why? Because co-interior angles, when lines are parallel, will add up to 180. Then I solve this equation normally with equations by solving for x. 2x plus x will give me 3x, 50 plus 10 will give me 60, and I keep my 180. I will now just minus 60 and divide by 3. First I minus 60, and then I divide by 3. So I have my first value that they asked me, x, and x is 40 degrees. Then I replace the 40 in here to help me to go back into the rest of the information. I know that angle ACD is x plus 10, so I write angle ACD, capital letters, cap on the C, is equal to x plus 10. I replace the x I just worked with in here, and I get the answer of the angle is then 50 degrees, and I can write it in. And I write it in on the picture where it belongs. We are now going to move into this triangle. So I wrote here in triangle AEC, AEC. They told us that this and this side is equal. That means that the angles opposite them will be equal. So that is why I made that angle y also. Now we write what we said. The angle A and the angle E in this triangle is both equal to y. The maths reason is angles opposite equal sides of a triangle. Now we know from our geometry rules that if I have a triangle and I have an exterior angle, this outside angle is equal to that angle plus that angle. Exterior angles of a triangle. Now we write it, 2y equals ACD, these two y's, is equal to ACD, the angle there, that 50, is equal to 50 degrees, and the reason we are giving is its exterior angles of a triangle. Then I just rewrite it, so I don't get confused with all this writing and the reasons and everything, and now I just solve for y with equations by dividing by 2 on both sides. The answer for y is y equals to 25 degrees. You can stop here, but I just rewrote it up here again. So we know that x is 40 and y is 25 degrees. You do not have to show this red part that I show every time. It's just to show you how you should think. In geometry, you can do everything on a calculator as long as you understand what you are doing. Please subscribe to the channel and indicate if you liked or disliked the video. You can also write a comment and state what you need explained more fully. You can also take a clear picture of a maths problem that you have trouble with and WhatsApp it to this number above here, and we will try and make a video that everybody can benefit from and post it on YouTube. It's a free service.